Dr. Sebat, what has it meant to you to work with Autism Tree to create a Neurodiverse Advisory Committee at the Verge Center with you and your staff?
Well, I mean, Autism Tree has been really kind of a major driver in allowing our scientists to start to really connect with the autism community and to try to bring the perspective of the autism community into the lab and into kind of the scientific questions that we're working on. And so I think really Autism Tree, through their annual meeting and the creation of our Neurodiverse Advisory Committee, and in their regular outreach efforts that they are constantly doing to both scientists and to the community, I think Autism Tree is really kind of establishing itself as a hub for interaction between the community and the science. And that to me is a major hurdle that has to be overcome. That's what I mean. Again, as anyone knows, the communication of the science to the community is something that needs to be better. There's a lot of messages out there. Some of them are pretty good messages. Some of them are not so good. And I think Autism Tree can really allow us to be more connected so that the perspective of the scientists can be more directly delivered to the community. And then also what's important to people on the spectrum can really be given more, careful consideration by us. So I really want to thank the members of our committee who've agreed to join us: Otto Lana, Lauren Taylor, Judith Ursitti, and the chair of the committee, Philip Smith at Drexel University. And their perspectives have been immensely valuable to us, and we look forward to continue working with them in our Verge Center and in the context of the Autism Data Science Initiative.